Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris, and today we have an early LEGO Minecraft review thanks to the LEGO Ambassador Network. So thank you so much for sending me this set, although of course all the opinions provided in this review are my own. This is set number 21243, The Frozen Peaks from the LEGO Minecraft January 2023 line, which features a special little house that is kind of in the Ice Spikes kind of territory. We haven't actually gotten an Ice Spikes LEGO set from Minecraft for quite a few years now, so it's cool to see this particular area of Minecraft revisited with a very kind of icy block related build here. Now I'm quite excited to put this together. It does of course come with a mountain goat as well, and of course added on to my LEGO Minecraft collection, which is actually growing pretty quickly. I'm going to quickly run out of room to put all the other Minecraft stuff, but I think this set is going to go perfect alongside some of the more recent stuff that they've done for Minecraft, such as this Frozen Fortress from the 2022 Summer Wave here, which is a really nice one. I think this will go alongside well with them, and I can't wait to see how they actually combine together, because of course, the beauty of LEGO Minecraft is that all the sets can pretty much combine and form their own entire world. And so without further ado, let's jump right in to the review. Okay, so coming up here is set number 21243. This is The Frozen Peaks. It will come out on January 1st, 2023, retailing for $35 US. This is depicting something that we haven't really seen in Minecraft in a while, which is kind of these ice spike type areas, although it does factor in some aspects of the new update. Now, full disclosure, I have personally not gotten the chance to play Minecraft in several years now. I was a big fan of the game growing up, and I do love LEGO Minecraft. I just honestly don't really have a lot of time to play games, unfortunately, nowadays, which makes me very, very qualified, of course, to talk about all these new sets, which seem to heavily focus or integrate aspects of the new update. So I will do my best to try to explain what things are, but please do forgive my lack of knowledge on the most recent Minecraft stuff. Although I did play quite a lot back in the day, so I am pretty aware of pretty much everything since, I don't know, 2018, 2017, something like that. It's been a while, but I definitely used to play it quite a lot, so I am a fan of Minecraft, and let's get right into this. So this is a set that retails for $35 US and comes with basically only one traditional standard minifigure. Unfortunately, this is just a standard Steve, although this is the one time I probably will forgive it because he is in a brand new style of armor. Specifically, I believe this is kind of like turtle armor. It's green. Not really sure what that is because I haven't played Minecraft in a while. I don't think that you could make turtle armor back in the day. You could give yourself a turtle shell hat, but I don't remember being able to make green armor, but presumably this is due to one of the updates. Now, it also does include a stray, which unfortunately, LEGO has done only one stray in the past, and it was really cool because it was basically this exact printing, but it also had a specialized cloth piece to actually showcase what the strays look like in-game. Unfortunately, they do not include the specialized cloth piece in this set and opted to instead just give him golden armor, which I guess makes sense because some strays do appear wearing armor in-game, but I certainly would prefer just the standard variant with that cool cloth piece. It does include a standard creeper as well, which we have 1,000 of those, but nice to get one more, and a goat, which we have seen in some of the earlier Minecraft sets from last year, but this is the most recent one to include it. So all in all, nothing actually super new and noteworthy about the inclusion of the characters in the set itself. But then again, the focus of this set isn't really supposed to be the characters, and it's basically just supposed to be the exact hideout and biome. Now this set has one pretty major feature, which we can take a look at here. You can take a TNT block, which suspiciously does not have the kind of black circular underside as most other TNT blocks from Minecraft, and you place it right here. Now, if you press this button before the TNT block is there, nothing happens. And however, if you place it there, then you get a fairly satisfying explosion where the TNT pops up and the wall pops up as well. This is a pretty cool way to, I guess, have either the enemies burst open into the hideout here, or maybe you're trying to excavate this area and jump into it, so it's a pretty cool thing, especially if you hit it with some force. Nothing super crazy, but it is a nice feature. It's stuff that we've seen in Minecraft before, but I do always like it when they have stuff like this, where, oh, you need the TNT block in order to make it blow up. Setting aside the figures here, there is one extra function, which is one that I really like. I haven't played Minecraft, I believe, recently enough for the goats to actually be there, but I've seen videos online of how they work, and you actually have a feature where the goat can, oh, well, what it's supposed to do is push the stray off the cliff here. Let me just kind of loosen the grip on the stud, and, he's really not wanting to come off. Maybe this doesn't work quite as well as I imagined it to. I'm really going to put him on super loosely there, and we're going to, there we go, that's satisfying. So, the way the function is supposed to work, maybe it's easier if I stick him down and he's sideways, because then he doesn't have anywhere to bend. Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, so
the Stray's going to be standing here. Maybe he's like lurking down. He's about to shoot the player, and the player is defenseless. He doesn't even see that someone's shooting at him. But then the goat comes, and Hero Goat comes and saves you, knocks him over like that in a violent knockoff, and that is a very, very fun thing to do. It's a real simple function. You just have the goat sliding back and forth, and obviously you can remove him as well. He's only attached by one stud, but it's one that I feel makes the set a lot more fun because you kind of have a lot of play scenarios with the unsuspecting Steve walking along here, being trailed by the unsuspecting Stray up at the top, who is in turn being about to be attacked because he is also unsuspecting of the goat behind him. So all in all, it's kind of a nice chain of events there that I do really appreciate the way it works. Now, over here we have some of the details pertaining to the latest update. I believe that was the Caves and Cliffs update from what I can tell, and this introduced the stalactites and stalagmites, so we do have those being brick built. No new pieces being introduced, but you do have kind of these spiky openings to the cave itself. And on the inside, you have a little bit of a living space for your player character. You have a flat top chest, which is good to get. I'm very glad they introduced this actually first in the Harry Potter line, although it was pretty obvious it was made for Minecraft, and Harry Potter just kind of grabbed the mold first this year. But you have kind of the diamond sword in there. You have some loaves of bread, which are really nice pieces. They're relatively new pieces as well, which came out for the Minecraft theme, but I can't wait to see these being used in other applications because this is just a really useful piece to have in general, and all in all, that kind of closes up, and you've got your chest there. You've got the bed, you've got the crafting table. Basically, a pretty simple setup, but you do have some, I believe this is like glowing vine or something like that. Again, my apologies, I haven't played the game recently, so I don't know what this is, but I believe that's supposed to represent kind of the glowing kind of moss in the caves. And of course, like any other Minecraft set, you can just mine each of these individual blocks, which are just brick built the same exact way they were originally. Now this is an interesting set because for $35, I think the value is okay. Definitely feels like maybe 30 would have been a lot nicer, but honestly, I wasn't super interested in this set when Images first released. I was a lot more interested in some of the other sets, but that's because I didn't realize it had this amazing feature to have the goat knock the enemy off the cliff there. That is easily worth a lot more in my mind. It's so simple, but I don't know, there's something just so charming and satisfying about booting the guy off. If you don't want the player character to maybe be an ally to the goat, if you want the goat to want the player knocked off as well, you can do that as well. So, I don't know, just a really funny feature, because I do understand that that's what the goats do in game. They kind of push you off the mountain, so I think that's a pretty fun thing to include, and 35 is not bad, especially compared to the value of a lot of the other sets that we've looked at, either for Minecraft or for other themes. Sure, 30 would have been great, and this does feel to me, honestly, like a $30 set, but it's not like I think this should be 25. I definitely think this, with the amount of mobs you get, 30 does make sense. 35 is pushing it, but it's not pushing it too badly. I do like the build of the tree as well here, and this kind of special pine-like tree sort of format here, so all in all, I do kind of like this a lot more than I thought I would. It does feel like you're scaling the face of a mountain, and this does feel like a much larger mountain, like you could continue to build underneath it or above it. This is just one part of the mountain itself. And all in all, this is a pretty fun set to play around with. I think it's just an average playset for Minecraft, but one that certainly is packed with a lot more fun features than I would have imagined.
Alright, and with that, we have summed up this early review of set number 21243, The Frozen Peaks. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you think of the set? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And what other Minecraft stuff do you want to see me do for LEGO on this channel? I cannot wait to January 1st to be able to get the entire LEGO Minecraft 2023 wave to actually be able to combine all of the sets, so I certainly will be doing a video on that. That should be a really fun one to see exactly how they all fit together, so I'm quite excited for that. But beyond that, I hope you've enjoyed this review, and again, definitely stay tuned for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon. Thanks so much, and bye for now.